Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take an English Proverbs quiz. If you haven't watched part 1, I link it down in the description box below. Make sure you check that out. Let's begin. What is a proverb? A proverb is a short and simple saying that gives us advice, teaches life lessons, and shares truths about life. Where do proverbs come from? They come from real life experiences and are passed down from one generation to another. For example, don't judge a book by its cover. It means don't judge people or things just by how they look. Look before you leap. It means to think carefully before making a decision. Now let's take the quiz. Question 1. Birds of a feather flock dash. The correct option is B. Together. Birds of a feather flock together, which means people who are similar often stick together. Question 2. A watched pot never dash. The correct option is D. Boils. A watched pot never boils. It means time feels longer when you keep waiting or watching something. Question 3. Don't bite the dash that feeds you. The correct option is C. Hand. Don't bite the hand that feeds you. It means don't hurt or be ungrateful to someone who helps you. Question 4. You can't have your cake and dash it too. The correct option is A. Eat. You can't have your cake and eat it too. It means you can't enjoy two opposite benefits at the same time. Question 5. Beggars can't be dash. The correct option is B. Choosers. Beggars can't be choosers. It means if you're getting help, you can't demand too much. Question 6. The grass is always greener on the other dash. The correct option is D. Side. The grass is always greener on the other side. It means people often think others have it better even when they don't. Question 7. Necessity is the mother of dash. The correct option is C. Invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. It means we find ways to solve problems when we really need to. Question 8. A leopard can't change its dash. The correct option is A. Spots. A leopard can't change its spots. It means people usually don't change their true nature. Question 9. The pen is mightier than the dash. The correct option is B. Sword. The pen is mightier than the sword. It means words and ideas are more powerful than violence. Question 10. Don't make a mountain out of a dash. The correct option is D. Molehill. Don't make a mountain out of a molehill. It means don't turn a small issue into a big problem. Question 11. Still waters run dash. The correct option is C. Deep. Still waters run deep. It means quiet people often have deep thoughts or strong feelings. Question 12. Curiosity killed the dash. The correct option is A. Cat. Curiosity killed the cat. It means being too curious can lead to trouble. Question 13. What goes around comes dash. The correct option is B. Around. What goes around comes around. It means your actions will eventually come back to you. Question 14. Jack of all trades, master of dash. The correct option is D. None. Jack of all trades, master of none. It means a person who tries many things may not be great at any. Question 15. Every cloud has a dash lining. The correct option is C. Silver. Every cloud has a silver lining. It means there is something good in every bad situation. Question 16. If it isn't broke, don't dash it. The correct option is A. Fix. If it isn't broke, don't fix it. It means don't try to change something that already works well. Question 17. Beauty is in the eye of the dash. The correct option is B. Beholder. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. It means different people see beauty in different ways. Question 18. You reap what you dash. The correct option is D. Sow. You reap what you sow. It means you get results based on what you do. Question 19. Don't judge a man until you've walked a mile in his dash. The correct option is C. Shoes. Don't judge a man until you've walked a mile in his shoes. It means understand someone before criticizing them. Question 20. Many hands make light dash. The correct option is A. Work. Many hands make light work. It means things get easier when many people help. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.